What, what, Yo, what is going on, everybody? Welcome to Switchblade TV. Johnny Switchblade here once again. And today I'm going to be talking about becoming a developer in 2022. So stay tuned. Yo, what is going on, everybody? Welcome to Switchblade TV once again. Johnny Switchblade here. Today I'm going to be talking about becoming a developer in 2022. So let's just get right into it, guys. I know I've been a little absent. And that is because I've been hard at work, guys. I've been really hard at work, trying to become a developer. I mentioned a long time ago in one of my videos that, when I first got into crypto, that, some of the stuff that I was looking at on the blockchain, I didn't really understand because, it was all code. And, I didn't like that. It didn't sit well with me, guys. It was like, you know, how can I be investing my money in something that I didn't totally 100% understand? And kind of bit me in the ass. It kind of bit me in the ass with Strong Block because, if I would have dissected Strong Block on a developer level, I probably could have figured it out. So, you know, I decided, I decided some time ago that, I'm not going to be in the dark anymore. I'm not. I need to understand these things on a developer level. So, I decided I was going to become a developer, and I started learning to code. Actually on Free Code Camp, and there's a Harvard. There's also a Harvard class I'm taking right now. It's just a free online class. It's not actually Harvard. It's just through Harvard, a free online CS50, I think it's called. It's actually really good. It's really awesome so far. But that with Free Code Camp, plus I don't know if you guys noticed, but I have a bunch of developing books here, and app making books and stuff like that. So I've been super busy. I actually, a lot of people have to choose between the self-taught route and computer science route. And I have to say that I'm actually doing both. I'm currently enrolled in college for computer science, which completely took me away from coding, completely took me away from developing entirely. I was tripping out because I thought, oh yeah, I'm gonna go back to school and study computer science, and I'm gonna be gooch. I was like, yeah, I'm gonna be all right. I'm gonna be learning to code and all this stuff, but computer science has nothing to do with coding at all. I mean, it does, but like, you're learning to problem solve. You're learning a ton of math and physics. So, you know, it took a lot of time away from coding, and it's still taking a lot of time away from coding. So, I told myself that I had to, continue coding. I had to continue coding on the side because, if I just completely focus on computer science, um, although it's great because I'm learning a lot of math and physics and stuff like that, which is going to help me in the long run. you know, it's not going to help me do what I wanted to do in the short term, which is develop, make my own token, get into these other projects. I originally wanted to create some nodes, but I'm definitely going to steer clear of that unless there's a way to where I can figure it out where it's not a Ponzi scheme like the rest of these node projects that are out there. If I can figure out a way, which I kind of have some ideas, right now, but I'm not a developer yet, so you know, if I can figure out a way to create node projects without it being a Ponzi scheme to where everybody, continues making money on a regular basis, that's what I'm going to do. But until then, I'm just going to do some side projects. I'm going to do a couple apps that I have planned, and I'm going to continue going to school and for computer science. So, you know, that's what I got going on right now, guys. That's what it's 2022, and that's just coding is where it's at. Coding is definitely where it's at. Becoming a developer is a software developer is where it's at, because the world is shifting, guys. The world is shifting, and more companies are evolving. They're evolving, and they're moving not only to tokens, but they're moving into the metaverse. And I want to be at the forefront of that. I want to be there. I want to be developing for these companies while the shift is taking place. Before the entire shift happens, I want to be there. I want to get involved, because it's like the internet, guys. It's like when the internet first started, when you got involved back then, and you started investing or just making web pages and stuff like that back then, these people turned out to make lots and lots of money by building websites that people still go to this day. And not only that, but they became web developers for other companies and other people, and these people are making tons and tons and tons of money. So that is what I want to do, guys. That is what I'm doing. That is what's been occupying all my time, and that's why you haven't seen me lately. Besides that, if you guys have any questions about the journey that I'm going on right now to become a developer in 2022, comment down below. Ask me those questions, and I'll try to answer as much as I can. I'm only a student right now, but I can tell you what's going on. I can tell you what I've been doing so far in the college side of it, in computer science, and I can also tell you what I've been doing so far on the self-taught side. I do gotta say though, guys, the self-taught side is a lot more fun. It's a lot more fun, and I stay more focused. I stay way more focused than I do on the computer science side, because that I kind of feel like I'm forced to do. And with the self-taught side, I'm doing it leisurely. So I don't know what it is, guys. I'm just like extremely focused when it comes to being self-taught, and I can't seem to focus when it comes to going back to school and learning all this math and doing all that crazy stuff. So that's gonna do it for today, guys. Go ahead and like, subscribe, comment down below, do all those things that the YouTubers tell you to do, and we will see you next time. Peace!